Which among the following is related to the introduction of tDNA into plants? The process of introducing tDNA or the transferred DNA into the plants primarily involves the bacterium Agrobacterium tumefaciens, which naturally transfers the genetic material into plant cells. This bacterium contains a plasmid known as the Ti plasmid, that is tumor inducing plasmid, which has a segment called the tDNA that can be transferred into the plant genome. So that means the correct answer will be option B, infection by the plant by Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Whereas coming to the rest of the options, that is A, C and D are not related to the process of tDNA. Option A says that allowing the plant root to stand in water is incorrect. C, altering the pH of soil is also incorrect. Exposing the plant to cold or a brief period is also incorrect answer. The correct answer is option B.